The trim tab is located on the end of the elevator and can be used to set the desired flight attitude or airspeed so that you don't have to keep pushing forward or pulling back on the yoke to hold the attitude or airspeed desired. Moving the trim wheel down causes the trim tab to move down and the nose to move up. Moving the trim wheel up causes the trim tab to move up and the nose to move down. If you find yourself having to push forward on the yoke to maintain an attitude or airspeed, move the trim wheel up until the pressure is relieved on the yoke. If you find yourself having to pull on the yoke to maintain an attitude or airspeed, move the trim wheel down until the pressure is relieved on the yoke. It's almost like the trim wheel is like cruise control. You set the attitude or airspeed by using the trim wheel. In this example, I've used trim to set the airspeed to 90 knots. As I add power, notice that the airspeed does not change. If I don't change the pitch with the yoke of the aircraft, the plane will climb but maintain 90 knots. If I reduce power to the aircraft, once again, as long as I don't force a pitch change with the yoke, the plane will descend but will again maintain 90 knots. So we see in this example that we can use trim to maintain a certain airspeed no matter how much or little power we apply to the aircraft. You will see when and how to use trim in other videos. Be sure to subscribe to this channel to learn more.